Good morning, children. I hope you all are doing well. I'm your teacher Faiza, and you all are welcome here. So, do you remember which letter we learned last time? Yes, that was letter S. And what is the sound of letter S? Good job. It is S. 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 So, do you remember some friends of letter S? Yes. Snake, sun, strawberry. Now, today I am going to tell you about a new sound. But before that, let's sing a song. So, are you ready? Can we make the letters sound? We can show you how. One letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn about the letter A. A is for ant. A is for apple. A is for astronaut. A is for ace. A is for arrow. A is for anchor. You know some A words, now let's make the letter A sound. E, 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 e. Now it's your turn. Good job. E, 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 e. A. Yes, so this is letter A, and the sound of letter A is eh, eh, eh. So let's see some friends of sound eh. Eh, apple, eh, ant, eh, astronaut, eh, ambulance, eh, arrow, a arm. Do you know how many arms do you have? Very good. You have 2 arms. So, let me tell you how we will trace it. So, yes, this is letter A. Start from the starting point. Make a semicircle. Then turn up and touch the top. Go down on the same line and touch the ground. You can do this practice on the sand tray, and you can do also this practice with the help of brush and paint. So let's come to the activity. In the first activity, you have to make the ant with the Play-Doh. In the second activity, you have to make a big apricot and do collage on it. Hope you all are enjoyed this lesson. We will meet again with a new sound. Till then, take a very good care of yourself and the people around you. Till then, goodbye.